Yeah, my everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are.
Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced family law firm specializing in immigration and naturalization, as well as dispute resolution. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner with over 30 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stand for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity and inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance across all areas of UK and Ghana law. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Led by experienced senior partner Bernard Owusu, the team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with your immigration, naturalization, dispute resolution, family law, new wills and probate, Ghana law and practice needs. We are dedicated to providing solutions to our clients' problems. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214-218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Main office line 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line 07712 761 884. Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the intestate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
This is the last video that I can play.
Okay. Hello, good morning. Wonderful viewers and listeners. Today you are through. And so, any BWF Solicitors and I share a with you so say you best idea teacher efa immigration emra ne kwanya ya bafa so a ye de yamba ye de yebusua ababa baka ye ho ewo English abrochi ememu and nkomo a ye bedi no ehu hia pa fi sense aba ane ne afa nkwala ho no ebe hia se ene yebe hwehwem na yesua afa kwan a yebe fa so a ye de yamba no ebeba tituru yin a yewo skilled worker ade no eso eno anti nanso ebi a wo bia ye chia wo kase de nche kase fi BWF Solicitors asoye ebreo ai wo beti yanka enso ewo Rainbow Radio Abawa Radio ane BW communications platforms na yo anti ye chia we na ye de me ase na ye kan se senior yenim no update kase a ho a obia ka ho asam no eye edikan student ane care dependent ane sawo ye application akofa wo yere anase wukunu aba mra no ne eka fa sika ho na daban so na sa ade no be sha ase se eye ejuma yenim se student for no aban se anase mra no nsesan no akoba ne se we a student na wo sua ade e wo yike mamu na ade na wo sua no eye masters program na ade na wo sua no so eye for 1 year na kire se from 16th of January 2024 no wuntumi emfa ukunu anase wo yere anase wo ma empo emba emeka wo ho so o ma supporto na sua ade nti na kire se wo UK usua ade na se opese wo yere anase ukunu anase wo ma eba when ebeka wo ho a bomodin se wo be ye application no by 15th of January 2024 tina ye hwemu a akabosome ba kope na saafo no nyina no omuntumi emfa omo emba anase omo ekunu anase omo yere emba so we student a bomodin se obetu anamo na mom se we student na we PhD course anase we MPhil. That's Master of Philosophy course, a research course. And that's a Master of Research course, IFN, MRes, and that's a M Researcher. And also no a quiet woman because I don't know who you 2 years. If you cry 3 years. That just said, South one idea restriction be any ho and ma moyereni mukunu and that's a mumba. And Timoma share and so. Sarah and so na we skilled worker now of person kofa wo yere anase wukunu anase wo ma eba senior yenim no no ebesesa almost spring by a show calendar no so a spring no it runs from March until not just say we dey yan no say by end of February no na na say ye bia no yaye into we skilled worker now person we dey wukunu wo yere anase wo ma eba anase woni won etu kwan eba at the same time and the modern so we be sa ade application no by 15th of January 2024. And yes, sir, natural say one miss it out. Sarah and so and we obi a wo UK memu ukuta indefinite leave to remain and now say ukuta British citizenship na ukofa woyere anase ukunu aba na yenim ne say say winya 18,600 efi ejuma a woye mu say wa woye ejuma na say woye obi ejuma no as say winya 18,600 pounds gross income and that's a profit if you are self-employed na sa na mmara no akobese sa sika no ebekosoro pa by more than 100%. Nti na che say ebetwi no mu from 18,600 it could do 38,700 na ano no na yema yati asese eye won a woye application under appendix FM a friend of family migration no nti enye for care for ni omo mukuta work permit na ade no dey bi we eye for won a woye British citizens and now say wokuta indefinite leave to remain na kane no say omo minya 18,600 say saafo no mbre no ebesesa na ebesesa spring of 2024 the emphasis by end of February no now person we yes application no why dada yes sir as I say we make sure say we dwuma wo ye no when ya 38,700 it's mama yan sha no so na and then enkomo no efa so we are skilled worker now person we kofa woma eba na obaka wo ho I'll say how to make a successful skilled worker dependent child application. Now, we know, as I said, my channel so say because I'm running say we as care we are skilled worker on the care program no. Now, person okofa we yere anasa wukunu anasa wumba so we no by spring of 2024 no. And then you share on application because na yen hunu say on application be bre no you refuse one. You be share two dimensions. Nkwala omone one parents eneti and I say both parents neti aba kwetu kwan ana akwala one ne maame and I say papa pe na oti and papa no eti kwan. So you are looking at both parents and single parents for sala no. Na you say with the application ko tumu a on sabeka no one touch. Pacho mama you so say bibre no can say na sa change na eba no eye for obi bia skilled worker for ni na anasa care for no eye policy na eba out no or say those on the skilled worker care program no skilled worker care no into say senior carers support workers healthcare assistants sa for ni na sa emre eko emawo. The policy no is clear on that. Enti yakofa ye ba aba. Ye share emra ye de toto ho no omoyi bi afim na nya aka no nyina no is the same as nya ye afim no. Ye share emra bi a yefa no appendix skilled worker to the immigration rules. Na wo call ase ho no a paragraph SW 32 kono a obaka tron say ubetumi akofa wo ba aba na say wo kofa wo ba aba mama yen hye no so say wo kofa wo ba na wo ye carer and say wo skilled worker no ye care program no a say na yenim occupation code 6145 ni na ye for care stream no nti wo kofa obi aba wo ba aba ana na wo da sa code 6145 no a mrana asesa no ekoma wo to make sure say nkomo ya ye di wo betie na ye wie ya wabomode atu anamo se mpesa me kofa me ba no eba as say yetumi ya application no before mra no ebesesa by February March na senior ye kan no opesa wo kofa wo ba no ba mra no say then etre say akwala no oya akwala. So as I say, we say age no very vital. Imran say age below 18 years. In the Sakolani the 18 years there or qualify say obaba as child dependent or dependent child of you the skilled worker migrant no. In the age no mention so odi 18 pe wuntumi nkofa no. What about aka 1 week mane di 18? As long as on the 18 no, what the application to more uwom answer obedi 18. Then bi na mrano say hwe. Mrano say akwala no for me independent life. So no anti ne ho, so hwe no ho. Ndi sa akwala no ate ne ho so hwe no ho say bia wagya no ho. Anase akwala no kro no ano ahwe no ho for a long time. Now more or less no Rebecca say we are forming independent life and also lead independent life. Sa akwala no even though oya akwala de but waso nadwebo and also otumisha no ho sa nti untumi nka say okofa no abehwe no and also say woni netina say wo ba. And now say akwala no we are forming ono ani family. Say wawo one ne ba ne kunu na ati. It doesn't matter say only 18 no ontumi nkofa no say oya because ono ankasa aforme the family one obo ne bra. Next thing so as say ehwe no relationship. Then ehwe say akwala no oba. Eho no it say we prove say me ba nie because birth certificate no dey dance say me ba no. Nti birth certificate no so no ye be hwe say maami okofa akwala yi maami akwala yi maami ana anasa papa yi okofa akwala yi akwala no papa ana me pa chobo ma hwe eha no enso o say birth certificate no ye wo mother, father and informant. Mother, father and informant. Mother no ne owo akwala no. Father no ne owo akwala no. Informant no ne a okwoka say ye me pese me register akwala yi. Nti ni a okwoka say opese register akwala no o make a very big decision ewo akwala no life mu because a decision to name a child or to register the name of a child is a vital important decision. Santi wo make that decision no na che say wudi mu ewo akwala na brebom your friend say you play a key role making important decisions in the life of sa akwala no. Yehwemu na che say papa anasa maame anasa obi a yede akwala na hye ne nsa say onhwe no your friend no guardian. Saafo yi na o metumi edi sa adwuma no. Nti say informant no ho say father. Na sa birth certificate ye register no anasa omu issue no 2023. Na ne ye patch no say akwala papa no anasa maame no ye informant no owa akwala abrabom not too long ago. Nti sa wo si oni na abrabom a you have to show why. The beba eno so. Nti ya share relationship no. Ananso say wo firi say birth certificate no wunhu na wuntumi nkwaya foforo na wo pa obetumi aye DNA no mama insurance so say enye compulsory because under the Home Office DNA policy guidance no version 4.0 of 2020 no I see DNA enye compulsory na fekesimfo entumi nhye obi say onkoye DNA nti ye share page 7 ho no a ene 8 ho no a obeka kire say se opese obi ye DNA to ma no ontumi hye no so no a volunteer say obeye DNA dia ende obetumi ama no kwan say onkoye anasa onfa emra ode ma wo dia obetumi eyusu accept mana yeye ba ontumi hye no say onkofa DNA emra ti mo ma ye hye no so say DNA enye compulsory nti omuntu mi hye wo say kofa DNA opa obeye policy no sa na eka na wo ya ebeboa wo ana nti wo na wo be hye say me ya ebeboa me anase man ya na ebeboa me so we na ebeboa wa we encourage you say ubetumi akoye DNA say wo hwe na wogidie anase obibi nti wontumi a enye ohye so ubetumi aka say birth certificate na megina so aya na omo kan say birth certificate no omo issue ye enche akwala ye wo no bi a 17 years ago 2023 na wo register no adenti na ekoba ne saa nti akoba saa obenya letter efi birth and death registry ewo oman no a omo register omo issue saa birth certificate no na omo akonfirm say no kre say won na wo register akwala no na no kre say saa birth certificate no it exists and say ewo record so say omo na omo de maaye eno so etumi eboa aye friend of verification letter nti say wo kwaje birth certificate na ye mo no a ehwo no hwa no obetumi age verification letter atoso na ama nyoma akọ wano amawo anasa ntantam so amawo na yewie relationship no na ye share maintenance then e chere say akwala no ba obetumi ahwe no is ewo edidie mu enti ye be share policy no upon the skilled worker no ye share paragraph 32 e kono a o say ejuma ni wura ejitum say obe sponsor akwala na didie mu a aye friend maintenance no a and the ehia say wodi evidence baka ho say akwala yi kwan a obefa so a obehwe no enu nie nti kwan ma so na obehu say ejuma wura as sponsor maintenance obehwe COS no so wokọ ase ho no a after baby a ya tro occupation code number no a and job title no a ase ho no obaka tro say has the employer confirmed that the employer will sponsor maintenance for you and your dependents aya omaka yes or no so employer no atake yes there and they will cover ubano so account until we hear bank statement bia to prove maintenance so we will prove by adding bank statement but so employer na ka there and they are compulsory emao so employer no ka there and they are he na we here so employer no sponsor maintenance so akwala no odi kan no we here 315 pounds 315 pounds we know a different from student there no student there over multiply by 9 months we there a once into 315 no we prove for 28 days tim rather say as I said that account no 28 days up to the date we year application no e ha no a very technical into moma yentie no ye ubetumi even though and then at them 28 days, no, you can miss it by just hours or a day. Enti afutu be na waha. O pesa we application no ende anope and I say ende. Yen mi say ende no ebe ende 11:59 p.m. anaji. Enti from anope ya kwesi anaji 9:59 p.m. no 11:59 p.m. no. Ubetumi the application no a submit it. But as I said, was submitted, you say it was submitted on 14th of December 2023, for example. Your share time now 11:59. That means date 14th. Because we submitting after 11:59 p.m. now, date 15th. Meanwhile, bank statement we use to prove maintenance. Ukwaje 14th of December. Application date is to actually say a friend is saying 15th of December. Sanet here you calculate here 28 days up to the date of application you calculate up to 15th because application no a transfer was submitting on 15th and your 14th. And even though no 14th no, when you soon the 14th. Meanwhile, be a okwaje and we are so na sika yi wo sha ase we use. Nti na ye calculate as sika na so ate. Nti okwaje foforo akra still ano na one day no difference no a creative problem. Nti afoto e ho ne say so okwaje bank statement no and then anope ya and then ya no make sure say what the application no atum. And that's when him say application no be call and try na kwaje bank statement no and then ya sa na SSA ye no. And yes, sir, you can miss it. Omo calculate your calculate say at the date of the application no sika na wa account mu no na endu sa ana say time a wo de ade no buy no wo submit here and then na kire say between time a wo submit here no and the time a wo issue bank statement no difference embassy sika no a e wo ho no emu. And say 315 a first child. Any other child I want no a 200 pounds. In the inference, I want Colamiansa. Nedi can 315. Me no be 200 each. So buy 400. Would they can 315 no 715 pounds for some Colamiansa no. That is maintenance if the employer and sponsor maintenance no amao ane umano. Nti ne wa ha ne say sa wo ye application no when you use bank statement be improve income there and as a maintenance there and the employer no sponsor maintenance anti employer no is likely say was sponsor o dependent no and so uba no but check the COS she say sa na tie and I say anti sa nti abubo ni na so the next one no accommodation. Under the Housing Act 1985 no you share part X and that's a part 10 no obeka kire say aban ni timi po ne say obe control overcrowding santi ifie bia mu no asese nimpa a mote ho no omoye just enough for rooms a ewo fie ho no enti se bia wo ewo one room o pese akofa wo baba no edi 5 eko and say wo ba no na kire say wonya at least one room living bedroom and living room eka ho so wo living room and one room a eka ho a na kire say wo 2 rooms technically santi sa wo ba no ya ba ko a obetumi akofa no aba sa wo ba no ndi 13 na mo ye mienu a obetumi akofa won na obetumi a share one room however so mo ye opposite sex a as I say wunya another separate room emano nti ye simple calculation no a ukofa wukunu a and then ye wukunu asem ba woni wukunu e one room wo ba so as I say wunya separate room nti living room or ho a e okay. But one room in a shared accommodation and as a property there, no kofa wo baba. Na just say ukunya another room. Eka nia uwo mu no eho na wetumi akava akwala no under the Housing Act no. So mo share eno so. Next thing so mo share no say sa akwala no ba obetumi ahwe no ewo care a ohia no because we ejuma because we are carer we ejuma no bia we ejuma 37.5 hours and that's 40 hours a week bia we 4 days or whatever bi kra we night e bi kra we long day whatever it is no question is asa we fa wo ba no ba kwan ben so na we betumi ama weni akọ no ho a wo neglect akwala no e wo no hwemu nti nkwala no hwe no so very very important tu na obebi sa wo say akwala me kwafa na abai oba ne hwemu no ahoboa ban na maye a enkofa asam emba nti wentumi yin ya no dia a ene ye beye den say ye de akwanya no bama akwala no na ya hwa ne saa no Ubaka ni nyina bom, especially akwala no hye ene accommodation no. Ene nienti a akwala no esese ofi baby owo no na obekotena baby fufuro no. Esese awofo no e provide consent. I friend consent from parents. Aha no ma yan hye no so. Ye ba linke ade we to informant asam no ayeka no birth certificate no so no. Nti mama nhwe se bi a papa yi na okofa ne ba anasa mami na okofa ne ba. Mami say odonkwa na ohwe akwala no o make all the decisions. Not just our sole responsibility. Oya single parent papa eni ho. Wachire mu say akwala yi yanyem no kra no papa no anji yefun no. Santi papa mami na wa hwe ne be ya up to that point. Otu kwan aba abrechi abaye adwuma ma employer no ode akwala ne gya bia ebusuani bi ebusuani say bibi nti ontumi hwe akwala ne bi to mafa ne ba obia nso ni ho obetumi ahwe akwala yi enti ebehia say ode akwala yi ebeba abeka no ho o say uprove say ya wo ba nti wakofa birth certificate aba ye share informant ho no ye hu say opapa ni din ehye ho say ye informant wo say opapa ni ho wonkwa na wa hwa akwala papa yi kra anje yefun no and papa we oyede na in 2023 otu anamo say okwa register akwala yi na kire say wasesa nadwen wa ba fie e ma wa ba responsible sa na tie dia apart from wo no obi ho a oye the other parent and any one the other one is no say yes kofa consent ebra for akwala no from the parents say they have agreed say akwala betumi etu kwan efi oman otimu no akwatena UK abrochirememu. Remember, a decision as to where the child lives no a vital decision ewa akwala na abrebum awofo na make that decision no and say nkrofo omo parental responsibility no na make that decision no enti say kofa consent letter bra now wakofa aba na both parents have signed the consent letter no now we say we are single parent there then nia wo can say we are single parent no and the consent now you have signed the aba papa so din wo so no I agree kwa we say we are single parent papa yi wenji yefun no papa ni akwala abrebom but at the same time no and they me no can say we dey letter no buy no papa yi din wo so because what some say you say both parents must sign the consent form but once what say what can say akwala yi no wonkwa na wo hwe no wonkwa na wo make all the decisions so are you telling us papa yi oyiraye no afi wa befie ana wa befie dia praise God but obetumi ahwa akwala no e wo man a owo mu no mu ehia say wo de ne baba nti say wo sign consent form no ask yourself say are you signing this as a single parent or you are signing as a parent who shares responsibility nti both parents no e wo ho dia both parents be sign it one parent na owo akwala na brebo mu dia and the sa parent no na obe sign it to mama yen hye no so otherwise obe sign be wie no na contradict wo story say wonkwa na wo hwe akwala no into wo so responsibility e wa akwala yi eso na ye be breaki e wo ha say na ye de nkra abrel ye to nkra ni wie a yɛde ne aka no ɛbɛto aso yɛbɛbie ahomatorofo no so atum na wo asɛmbisa webisa wo pɛ wo sende wasam mayɛ wɔ abɛɛfo WhatsApp adeɛ no so a yɛde ahomatorofo no bɛtu dwa number no na wafrɛ anasɛ wa text ɛnyɛ ne ayɛ ka ho asɛm no enko na mmom ne awo bia wobɛtumi ebisa ho asɛm ɛnɛ nkɔmɔ no ne ayɛ di ni sɛ wo wɔ krum ha anasɛ UK mem we are skilled worker. Wo pese okofa wo baba. Especially yen a emra no akan yen no. Wo pese okofa wo ba no ba before a emra no ba sesa in March 2024. Then na wobɛyɛ our application no ɔmo refuse na akwala no ho kwakyere no na nkɔfa asɛm mmerɛ o. Yɛto nkra.
Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced family law firm specializing in immigration and naturalization, as well as dispute resolution. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner with over 30 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stand for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity and inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance across all areas of UK and Ghana law. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Led by experienced senior partner Bernard Owusu, the team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with your immigration, naturalization, dispute resolution, family law, new wills and probate, Ghana law and practice needs. We are dedicated to providing solutions to our clients' problems. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Main office line 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line 07712 761 884. Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the intestate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
Yo, etiefo ne ahwefo yama wakwaba eba efidie su biem. Woni BWF Solicitors na ehia ewa efidie su. Sara nso na woti yanka anopai ewo Rainbow Radio, ane Abawa Radio, ane BWF Communications Platform ahodoɔ nyinaa. Enti yɛda wase sɛ wenya mre na wetumi ne yan atwɛn na yesua adeɛ. Damre yakan no enne nkomo no fa moframba yapade azu hon ba no bɛka yan ho osande yewa abrochir de skilled worker tituru care enche February March na emra ne se safo no wontumi emfa womba emma biem no na before yebokɔ no moma yenchi a ahwefo ne won comment aba no na Yanka comment no ebi entrel. Yo, yeni atili duma. I say hello, lovely family. I name him aye fe. Tilly, I say Abigail, Bombarden join. The Mara and so na yeni roots. I say share. Yeni roots. Or encourage you then yen share na for front so enya bi. Yeni na ya I say good lawyer Charles. Good morning to you too. Dam ara ensuna yenia Tilly. Tilly is a very committed patron. Also, please share, comment, and like. Yadawasi bebre Tilly. Derek, your boy, also good morning, Lawyer Charles. Good morning, Derek. Dam ara ensuna yenia adai mununkum. Also, good morning. Good morning to you, adai mununkum. So, the no epede bi say bibia yenya Sandra Fraser demre de bia oye no ode no mesni na boche firi no do fe ti bo mode na frɛ after the show kra no botuma frɛ na asam bia ochirwa dwi bia no bisa mo bia ihia no ye de ba ma na wonso wenji ewie peye. Yenya Foster Fox also good morning, Lawyer Charles, all BWF Solicitors, and everyone. Good morning to you, Foster. Promise also please share, and share again. Yes, we'll be sharing. So we have 2 questions that have come through. We are going to pick those questions. So we pick those questions. Area na yadzim komono atia edo. The first question yenia adam nukum obisa yabaka no brofu area ya chirem. Just a quick question. Yes, we are ready. Can a student who has been here about 6 months bring their spouse to join them? What are the requirements for him and his spouse? Yo, Adai, a woman say, students now has 6 months, it doesn't matter how long now we're having here. And then the fact say, ha na emrano SSI na opposite or your application to bring spouse. And to make my application to bring the spouse, but application as I said, by 15th of January 2024. When to me I say I want to try ebaba because Mrano MSS from 16th of January 2024. Requirement ben requirement edi kan say obe prove say nukunu anasa na yere no UK osua ade visa na okwaje ye no BRP card na yede amane no ene admission ho enyama no baby a otie a kire se oba obenya baby atena obetumi kura nya letter if school mu ho so pa so here maintenance no for school for no yenim say e different from skilled worker dependent school for no there no as I said omu enya between 600 to 700. So I'm giving the range so that we can look it up later. You can call me for the specific amount, but that is for the duration of Berman studies. And it's a Berman is for 1 year, and I say whatever. Usually, 9 months is the standard. So some multiply by 9 months. Now we make sure say the kind of account for 28 days up to time we application. Of course, impani ye wukunu anasa were nti evidence say ma ware evidence wo foforo so betumi de aka ho photos efa wo yere ne mo life ho ne ade communication say oba no wa ha no still amuguso edi nketa ho ni nyina no de beka ho kama na wo de aye wo application eno nti enne mbuaya ye de be ma wo efa wasam no ho wo pa bia anasa wo pa say you share more specifically for what they are not so home which my friend after the show. Yo, if you didn't know, you be attuned to a question over to me, I send it by text, and that's over to me after. Yo, Yenya Theophilus, say, I am EU family member brought here by my uncle 4 years ago. Can he support me to bring my wife? The simple answer is no. Your uncle cannot support you to bring your wife. The telephone number is 0208 493 7340. 0208 493 7345. And also, nti sɛ wopɛ sɛ wofrɛ a frɛ 0208493 7345 0208493 7345. That's the studio line. Ebetumi afrɛ na ebi sasɛm anaa akyerɛ w'adwene sɛ pɛ dɛ akyerɛ w'adwene nso a ebetumi afrɛ na akyerɛ w'adwene. Yo, yɛkyea adesua no do. Nti dɛmmerɛ yɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu no, mepɛ dɛ me read the policy guidance no a ɔba 4th of December no. Wei menka mfi m'adwene mu na obi aka dɛ na ɔba do na ɔkyerɛ dɛ Secretary of State na ɔka dɛm asɛm yi. This is issued by the Home Office. Home Secretary unveils plans to cut net migration. The government will introduce a plan to deliver biggest ever cut in migration. Publication 4th of December 2023. So that's about last week. Na ehano we read I said the government will tighten the health and care worker visa. Health and care worker visa, which has seen a significant number of visas granted to care workers and their dependents. Care workers and dependents. The phrase is care workers and dependents. To share occupation code, 6145, cover care workers and dependents. Policy way attach care workers and dependents. To me, show more care swimming now, a day way echo emma. I'm so be free into your befa no na yeneno Eddie enkomo. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello. You are through to the studios of BWF Solicitors.
Okay, good morning, Flyer Chuck.
Good morning.
I'm Pacho Design.
Yamina Dum na unse.
I'm very happy to Pacho in a Marcine Edumapa, Moboma community. Name Inchilamo. Okay. And a question maybe say, I may near Wukano, a book like a crabby.
Yo.
So, Ukita, UK, and indefinite native men. That's a deep part of the set of the and I and I papa, dear Noma, and I said the part of Wina and Fana, what you might. And I feel so, can I say, what's it in Rebipa, and I say, be unto two Mubipa. Say any panel, dear na, a victim affected.
Yo. Into our hall.
Hello.
And so, Pacho, I'm Kawai, did not so many.
No,
Yo, to question no appendix FM. No family migration, Tinipa way a application, Ecofa, Nere, Nuku, Anasa Neba, Efi, or my for Swaba. Signing way or UK man say British citizen, and I says, will be with indefinite leave to remain. So, Kofa, we aba. Emrana say, and as a Wukunaba, Emrana says, we show maintenance. Sikaben na wo ukunu anasa wo yere na ba mo betumi ahwe mo ho a enye aban asodie. Enti emra no se na yenim no sisia no 18,600.
600 million pounds.
Ebe kwasoro to 38,700 by March 2024.
What's it 18,000 no? So they say a cost go to
38,700.
I don't know, yeah. Sika what after tax and I said tax in the year to
So we will be ejuma a gross before I ever to tax me and I know gross.
Okay.
Into gross no First, we are part time. The money you good, and you will gross 18,600. To see, I mean, you can say, wait, you can find where and I say, Ukunu Abba, Ukuta indefinite, and I say, Ukuta British passport. Now, from March, you need say, by March, and I say February, and I say, thereabout, but almost say spring. Until from March, spring, but starting March 2020. Sorry, March 20th. Until you say March or late February, So, upasa kofa ukuna nasa waire na ukuta British passport and asa indefinite leave to remain. As I say, we are a juma winya 38,700 and yet 18,600 BM. Wobano are different because in Kwalano diano sometimes you look your maintenance for Aqualano. No, and yet financial requirement and your maintenance requirement. In the case law, the case of Ahmed, Becatron said, sika wunya no de betoto obi a owo kromu ha owo benefit so na ye ma no weekly benefit nti sa weekly benefit ade ma nipa no so wo ye wadwuma na wunya sika a eye equivalent to sa benefit no a sa nipa no da benefit no otumi hwa ne bade a so wo so wo ye adwuma na sika na ba no esua na ye equal to obi o de benefit so de a na wo so betumi de wo ba ai den aba after wo betua wo council tax and wo rent no ubetumi de oba abanti ya share calculation no here the total public fund and as a benefit no so for obi a oye single parent no person okofa ne baba na oje aban emboa no woni nya aban emboa na woje na mbo wo ye adwuma ba sika ni so a ti akwankwala ne de no enye 18,600 a ekọ 38,700 38,700 na ye kọ no aye for ukofa wukunu anasa woyere na ukuta indefinite leave to remain in the UK another British citizen and yet careful yan sika no nsesa ye why and yet careful only for obi a ukuta British passport anasa ukuta indefinite leave to remain na opeso okofa na yere anasa nokunu enkwala de no so different.
Okay, na sano nkurano de no omba cheke de akaseska no ho ana
they me say you say either say ubewo 38,700 but no is for ukofa ukunu anasa wayere
yeah no okay Matthias here be Matthias no ase na say bia oyere na wo ma e bia oyere wo ma anasa wo ma opese odo mo ka oyere wo ba no eno ho na me bisa no
so wo de oyere ne wo ma na eba ya hwe nti no or say 38,000 or can no 18,600 senya yenim no ena can no na say one child no e kan wa 3,400 any other child no 2,000 about what it means in say sa no na abaye can say 38,000 no for main sika no for the spouse no nkwala no dia no will remain senior tie no 3,400 for the main child and or the first child and subsequent ones no na edidi so no why
okay Matthias lo echa na one a year a kire magire kan say the main fact say ukofa oyere na say wo 36,000 na wo ka
38,700
38,000 actually na e basa na e wo say wo ma me say wo ma oyere no oba kuruma na so ye adwuma o tim de ono so de ye kakra obenya no so ye adwuma wo de support e de ye application form kura de ye na
wo betumi because our ban oyere ba na mo ya mo mienu na mo ya sponsors ti mo ka mo sika bom na mahwa se ni amunya no ebeso mo mienu no so na kakra ya se mo fanka ho for nkwala no anasa akwala no so munya na nti sa 3,400 extra there na just all the 3,400 no e ka 38,700 no ho a we are talking about so with the 400 no e ka 700 no 1,100 with the 38 no ho 39,100 with the 3,000 no e ho a na just we're talking about 42 or 43,000 pounds.
Yeah. Like I say, who qualifies that? Okay.
For akwala baako, nkwala no do so a be different.
Yeah. You just with that pana you can say be a man for say Oji Sika, Usikana Ujina, and two tax in two national insurance. Maybe a man say 2,000 beer, 2,200. No, it comes says Kana, Oka 38,000 because times 12 for me.
Times 12, yes. Into what's what you 2009.
Be a 2002, not the entity tax.
Okay, don't worry. What the area matter no? What the emphasis say 2000. 2000 AD kind of what the times it by 12 24,000. 200 na goes to 2,400. Into the car 24 and why 26,400.
Was it 26?
Into do 38 no cra. I brought 18,000 to make me a but I'm running to say what you mean quiet because it do 38 700 no.
Until I said, oh, yeah, Astra was a couple.
I just said, we well, it's an extra hours, so it's the main hours, so as I said, we can from all your employment, you know, a year 38,700 from March 2024. Until some person would choose an amount, you know, before Christmas, and I say, in the new year, before I'm running by sister. Why?
Okay, Martin. Bye bye.
Yo, that's it. Yo, the other four, Frey, now Obi was 20 and wait room. Na yes, sir, Bomode San Frebium. Number no our friend no senior unim at the screen so. 0208-493-7345. 0208-493-7345. That's the studio number. Please do that the number and share a concern or ask a question. You be the question about that the two board no so na yen na ye ready na ye ya no. Yen you from Paul, Ebisa say, I came to the UK with a care worker visa, but my sponsor does not have the hours. I have gotten an employer who has given me 40 hours. May I please know if I can work 40 hours a week for another worker, as I am not working for the main sponsor? They have agreed to switch. You, many are now by the say, almost on my switch with ya, switch it. We switch you, ya, we make 40 hours, no. Since here, they say we get 20 hours per with the new employer, no. Okay, more than that, what to why? Come rather see 20 extra hours. Until some say, what's the sun one, as soon as possible. Yo, be free, Bomade San Free BM, Bomade San Free BM, yes, sir, Fremaye, Bomade San Free BM, MA. Yo, Yenya Matthias, it is a question. I'm taking care of my nephew. I wanted to bring him to UK. I added him to my application when I was applying for my skilled worker visa. Now then they see you added him. Matthias, what happened? Please, if you can conclude your story for us. So you added him to your visa. So let's preempt the conclusion for you. Maybe he wants to know whether the nephew will succeed. The nephew will not succeed because the nephew is not your child. So the application will not succeed. Right. But if you want to ask or conclude, you can come back with the question. Right. So we will continue with our conversation. The studio number is 0208 493. Hello.
Hello, good morning, lawyer.
Good morning. Your name and where you calling from, please.
Lawyer, my name is Owusu. I'm calling from Middlesbrough.
Oh, Owusu from Middlesbrough. Thank you for calling in. Please go ahead.
Lawyer, my question is simple. I have met a lady. She's my fiancée, and she has a British child. So I am the one taking care of the British child. It's for about 3 to 4 months now, and I want to do application based on the British child. So do I qualify since it's at least like 3 months or 4 months? And if I want to do the application, what document do I need to do the application? Because I don't have to stay here in the UK.
Yo, yɛnua our friend, menim sɛ wowɔ so a, sɛ wonni so a, yɛde mmuayɛ ɛbrɛ wo.
Me also.
Yo, enti akwalaa yi ɛnyɛ waba noma yet, meboa.
But I.
Mmara no sɛ sɛ akwalaa no nyɛ wo ba a, ɛsɛ sɛ wokyerɛ mu sɛ ɔyɛ waba noma.
Okay.
Nti abanoma relationship no, ɛnsi pii. Na ɛbɛma na ɛsi pii no sɛ woaware akwalaa yi maame.
Okay.
Sa pa maame no na ɔyɛ ama wo deɛ a obetumi ayɛ ama wo na wode akwalaa no abɛta ho ba ɛno no gye sɛ moatena 2 years a yɛfrɛ no durable partnership anaasɛ
No.
durable partners no then wobɛtumi de akwalaa no abɛta ho ba maame no na ɔyɛ ama wo why
Okay.
nti woatwa 3 months but even though woatwa 3 months no wontumi ngyina akwalaa wei so gye sɛ woaware akwalaa no maame.
Okay. 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 If you be worried, there be 2 years.
They mmara no sɛ woaware akwalaa no maame a akwalaa no abɛyɛ wo step child and under the 1989 Children Act no wobɛtumi agyina wo step child yi so aboa bɛyɛ ahwɛ akwalaa no saa nti wohia asetena.
Okay. My men on your British, my men were 2.5.
maame no wɔ 2.5 a akwalaa no wɔ dɛn
British.
sɛ wo step child no na ɔyɛ British
But I.
wogyina wan so maame no anɛ sɛ wobɛyi so
I mean, you know, the stepchild, so I cried so.
ɔyɛ British so the
Right.
child is a qualifying child under section 117D of the relevant provisions of the law.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yo, Obinso Afre. Oh, Matthias has concluded the story for us. I wanted to know if I can apply for him as my adopted child. So, adopted children are your children, but you have to show that you've gone through the adoption process and you have court approval or court order. Yes, you can. If there is order that the child is your adopted child, and that child must be under 18 years to bring him or her. Hello.
Hello. Good morning, lawyer.
Good morning. How are you, sir?
Pacho, me that's it. Oh, yeah.
Yo, Kwasu.
Pacho, me question makuma adafu bako. Okuta, no your parent route, now, no 10 years route now, or she 5 years route. Me Pacho, no, say, maybe someone say, in case na so, she 5 years no. So, trying 5 years new year, na so yan indefinite na. 1 year time about to apply British passport and after church training 10 years now I answer.
Yo, if I saw a war switch from 10 to 5, you say, it save you time. Instead, so we try 10 years, you know, it save you more time. You can see. So I call 5 years, so now we wait 5 years now. Or apply for indefinite leave to remain. Or we indefinite, you know, or crown for 1 year. After that, you know, apply for British citizenship, IFN naturalization. After naturalization, you know, and I'll buy application for passport.
Okay, lawyer Matthias. Now, me discussing or say that we be say what 10 years route now, or you wouldn't know. Even the class, so in 5 years, and social security now, so in 5 years, no, as soon as you're indefinite, now still now, I saw train, no, in 10 years, and I wait to my year. In July, so I can't have Matthias if I that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. That's it. Before some that's it.
You're very soon will be going for the summary in English. So if there is any caller on the line, please get through. If there is okay, we have a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, morning.
Yo, be patcho Kwado.
Lawyer Michelle.
Mejodo.
Question 2. Yeah, EU settlement scheme. Now, almost a Sunday, almost a coin, actually, it's a message. But when to reply, and I'm not so and you refuse. And I'm some I can't find your appeal. But if you say you're appealing there, maybe the teacher code cry and math. And I am arguing, but I will say, a good 3 Juma, and I say, and yet Juma.
Appeal no what akotum.
Yet a cartoon.
Okay. Fine. So what are two now we are aware so they are two there. Time wa wo be application no na wo akwanya sa wo ye adwuma.
I am no, me didn't say anybody.
Wo den instruction na buy na wo so che. Okay. Into na when your certificate of application wo.
Yes.
You well normally you refuse application now. What system so as say application refused.
Yes,
A work court appeal. But what you know minimum the NTR check say details are already share code no correct because sometimes the question was the details cannot be found.
Me almost say, um, because you know, me no, I'm refuse to no more share code.
No. Sunday we I see you refuse. Yeah.
But then, but me will say, yeah, appeal no, and then share code
So now we ye juma dada there as a say employer no ma to aso. But something na we pay juma there employer bi anu go be foul.
Okay, that's a plan. The second question is,
Opasa wo frɛ studio line o ye na ma na obi so emre bi ana say be quick.
all right, any match me first to like that's fine.
No, what my friend okay, office line, so when my office line, and that's what my friend mobile number. No.
All right, that's it.
All right.
Michelle.
You. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, morning.
Ocho, good morning. Ocho, one more today now.
I mean, I do be here, and I won't say I won't then.
Ocho, I'm not the man to move. Ocho, I'm pedally be a question be on the program there discussing.
You, Kado.
My question today, and the housing inspector, the inspector who fear, me will find a request for report on my copy.
You, with ya was a band one when you don't sure that we catch sure that waba obey inspection. Until it's a one more report now, what's my request?
I requested once or twice now on farm. I've been asking what they mean.
Well, so one farmer why be a near there why when I didn't one farmer be a BB no see one in 0 -1. Aye.
Pocho me that say.
Thank
you. Yeah.
Have a great day. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Patrapo Moe.
Nami Adam. Question. If I'm saying about school, be a dependent of a student. If I know we can school fees into 20 years. Now, because as a dependent, may switch possible.
So we are dependent.
But
okay. We visa new.
A next some few months. Yeah.
As I said, what system no now check it with status. Why?
My check it. Okay.
All right, and they'll be to switch it. Random our clients will be to switch it because we are main student.
Okay. Now, second, so they say, may as a care worker why 1 year, may sponsor any demand.
Why then?
They say, Manya, a Juma, they are 40 hours. Make me a year, 40 hours, because he said, me, we never switch your money.
I'm someone I would the question where you buy, and I would text here, me boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we answered it. We said no. You can only do 20 hours. You can only do 20 hours until you switch.
Okay.
You at this point we are going to bring on Lawyer Deborah to give us the summary in English for the discussions for today. So, hello, Lawyer Deborah.
Hi, hello, Charles. So today we looked at how to make a successful skilled worker dependent child application before the new rules start. So the relevant law, or shall I say Home Office guidance policy, is the appendix skilled worker, specifically paragraph SW32 onwards, and that's where it talks about how you can bring your child and the eligibility requirements. So I'll go through them one by one. So first of all, you need to show that the child is indeed a child, and the definition of a child is somebody below the age of 18. So if your child is above 18, then they won't qualify for you to be able to bring them. The child must not be living an independent life. So, for instance, if they have a family of their own, they are living independent lives and therefore you cannot bring them. Relationship. You must prove that your child is indeed your child. So, you either show a birth certificate or DNA, although DNA isn't compulsory. Maintenance. So if on your COS, your employer has said that they are going to cater for you and your dependents maintenance, then you do not need to prove maintenance. However, if they say no, then you will have to prove maintenance. So you'd have to show your bank statements. And for the first child, you need to be able to show that you have £315 in your bank account for 28 days up to the date of application, and any other subsequent child, it's £200. Accommodation. So the Housing Act 1985 Part X states that the house should not be overcrowded. So you should be able to have a home that is large enough to accommodate you and any dependent. If the child, so you also have to look at whether you can adequately provide for your child's needs. And lastly, consent from parent or parents. So if you're a sole parent, then you can sign the consent form as a sole or single parent. However, you must be careful it doesn't contradict the story, because, for instance, if the father is named as the informant on the birth set, then obviously that parent is involved in the child's life. So that contradicts your story of being a single parent. However, if you and your partner are together, then both parents will need to sign the consent form. So that's my brief summary for the topic today.
Thank you very much, Debbie, for giving us the summary in English. So, viewers and listeners, Pempenso aye do no yebetua questions no so we have a few questions to answer. Whilst we are answering those questions, if you want to dial, because we have about 36 missed calls, so we take about a few of them whilst we are wrapping up. So the number to dial is on the screen: 020-8493-7345. 020-8493-7345 is the studio number to dial. So the question to answer: I'm applying for naturalization. In the form, I was asked if I have an immigration advisor. I've used an immigration advisor in the UK before, but not now. I want to know if this question, no, this question applies to this application. So if you are doing it yourself, you say no. Am I little, so that's the answer to your question. They are talking about whether you are using a lawyer or immigration advisor for this application or not. Thank you. Okay, hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, let me bisa question be may apply for fee waiver before October, because my visa will October, but my trends are still me and more be from home, and my upload I want me account to kind of find out why it's taking long, but me any reply yet, so I don't know what to do.
Right. You have to keep waiting. There's too many applications there they are dealing with. So the backlog is really huge and new ones are going every day. we get our application delayed as well. The applications that we do for our clients. There's one fee waiver application I did. Usually would have taken 2 months. Now it takes about 3, 4, 5, 6 months. But the assurance is that the fee waiver, even though is delayed and your visa has expired, the date of your fee waiver application is the date of your extension or renewal. So your visa is still okay for you to work. You can continue to work for the same employer. The only challenge is that you cannot change job. Or if you change a job, the new employer will demand that you wait for the visa to come. So don't change employer. Keep to the existing employer. And the existing employer cannot say no to you.
Okay, and one more question, please. I was gonna ask. I'm in the 10 years route, and my 10 years will be next year. So I'm wondering, do I have to do the English test to apply for indefinite leave to remain?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Bye.
Right. A question from Stephen. During my skilled work application, I did not add my children. Can I apply for my children now as dependents? So Stephen, we do not know why you did not add them. Some of the application forms do not require you to include your children. So if that's the case, fine. But if the question asks you, do you have dependents? And you said no. And now you are saying you have them, so you want to bring them. The caseworker will want to think about why you didn't, when you were asked, did you have? So if somebody did the application for you and they forgot to say take yes instead of, they take no instead of yes, then we say it wasn't maybe your fault. You have to explain it in a cover letter as part of this application. If a lawyer did it and it was your instruction and the lawyer did what they did, then again, you can still raise the point that it was a mistake on that side. But either way, they want to ask, why didn't you declare when you had the opportunity to declare? It is what it is. You can make an application, but in the application, add a cover letter and explain why you could not disclose the details of the children when you were coming. Right. I think this is a letter from the Home Office that somebody has received. We have considered your documents submitted. However, as you have not submitted a copy of the person's signed identity document, this consent letter cannot be verified. In addition to this, no official legal financial evidence has been given. Furthermore, I have considered the affidavit provided by your mother. However, this cannot be accepted as official evidence and subsequently does not prove she has sole responsibility and your father has no involvement in your care. That's the conversation we're having. Additionally, there has been no official court document submitted which proves your mother legally has sole responsibility for your care. I'm therefore not satisfied that your biological father has no involvement in your care, and that's the point we're raising. I also know that you have not provided any reason as to why you cannot stay with your father, and as such, I am not entirely satisfied that this represents an accurate reflection of your circumstances. Therefore, I am satisfied that you have not provided sufficient evidence to show your mother has sole responsibility. I have considered all the other factors, including serious and compelling reasons to grant you entry clearance. However, I'm not satisfied that there are serious and compelling reasons to grant you this as a dependent child. Therefore, refused. So, if you are refused, let's know what they told you, the right you were given. And if you feel that you have the evidence to counter all the points raised, we'll have to then pursue it. So if you want to call us, please call us and share the refusal letter with us. Then we'll have a conversation with you and advise you on your legal position. So thank you very much, viewers and listeners. It's been a very busy morning and your engagement has been awesome. Thank you. So today we looked at Kwana yaba fadwa yaba skilled worker dependent child application. Won't refuse here. Especially here na yada care no do na emrano basesa no kwana yaba fadwa yaba na emrano basesa no ne yamba no waba another on application ya zeko. Mama yanta ase de emrano de me ready tira no what say those on the care program, those on the care program. So if you're on the care program, this applies to you. If you're on the care program, this applies to you. So check your occupation code 6145. If it is 6145, this change applies to you. We've said that for the child application to be successful, you have to show that the child is under 18 years, the child has not been living an independent life, the child is not married, the child depends on you, so to speak. We have also said, sir, as I said, we show, sir, birth certificate na we use no. Edin na was no, wo ne okunu no, anasa akwala papa edin. Ya kire mu say DNA compulsory, but wo pa wo betumi aye. Ya kire mu say nkwala application very complex and technical. To wo ya na wa to bo ase na wa ye yie. Wo nya sure kopɛ lawyer na omboa wo. Bebre no amoye pɛ na ye refuse na ye de be call administrative review. Na sika no 1% nkomo avoid no, I feel that they have to pay to get it sorted. So why don't you get it sorted right from the beginning through a lawyer who understands the rules and can assist you better. Tinya can say nkwala application no it is say we are so mother and I say we are shared parent. So we are shared parent and I say a parent will share responsibility making sure say mummy and na no agree to bring the child. That's the consent. So when kwan so there as I say prove say papa no and I say mama no any akwala na brabom. So mama no and I say papa no akwala na brabom a Omeka actually say adenti na papa no anasa maame no entumi hwe akwala no. The next question is say why na o hwe akwala no ma osisi why can they not continue looking after the child? Enti as I say we show bibi a friend no serious and compelling family circumstance that makes the exclusion of the child from the UK undesirable under the provisions no. Santi then actually say akwala na mfi baby o wono a bibi beto no a emfa asampa emba it does say social welfare report it does say police report ebua say na ekosu ni assessment and it will be in the best interest of the child so akwala no be fi baby o wono aba o maami and so papa ho then it will be considered but Yamayan Kaisu said in the child assessment it is also in the best interest of the child say obetna baby or wono nti wo ye assessment na we no better say evidence that would be kono ebeboa case say as say akwala no fi baby a owo no aba baby a wo no nti example a yenu no de beto yenim a ye de to platform no so no a ye read ye no e kire say wa application so okofa ne ba na o say then e kire say or a single parent with sole responsibility evidence or the call in the answer say or sole responsibility nti why not share akwala or photos, church letters, hospital letters, or hospital bills, school receipts, all those ones, as I said, the other says, na we play role, akwala no abrebom, so we apply as a single mother or father with sole responsibility. Nti, so per se ya boa wa obetumi afre na ya ye oba application no ama wa ebe one touch. If you say ebe assessment and make sure say high chance of success before we encourage you to start. Either way, mama yanka say wa case by March 2024 no mmra no esesa untumi nkofa ukuno anase wo yere anasa wo mba emma muma yensha no enso muma yensha no enso so say 38,700 no enye for skilled workers eye for obi a okuta British passport or person okofa na yere anasa nukunu eba ana ne mba anasa obi a owo indefinite leave to remain our person okofa nukunu anasa na yore anasa ne mba eba won asem na mo kan for 38,700 no ti ende nkomo no baby a yedi besi eno enie after nkomo we no person friend ya na ma na eda screen so no office number is there and the mobile number is also available. If you dial 079-476-36037, you'll be able to get through to me directly to speak to with all your concerns. You can also dial our emergency number 077-1276-1884 to speak to us in emergency cases. Our office line or the reception number is 020-8493-7340. Please do get in touch, and we are always ready to assist you in the best way possible. We will come your way again tomorrow and Saturday. Make a date with us once more. Thank you to Rainbow Radio. Thank you to Abawa Radio. Thank you to BWF Communications Network. And thank you to you, cherished viewer and listener. Shalom, peace to us.
Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced family law firm specializing in immigration and naturalization, as well as dispute resolution. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner with over 30 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stand for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity and inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance across all areas of UK and Ghana law. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Led by experienced senior partner Bernard Owusu, the team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with your immigration, naturalization, dispute resolution, family law, new wills and probate, Ghana law and practice needs. We are dedicated to providing solutions to our clients' problems. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214-218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Main office line 0208-493-7340 or our emergency line 07712-761-884.